Hi guys, so in this video I'll be walking you through one of the most used tools available on Bitscale, that is the email waterfall. So what it does in essence is it parses through various sources and tries to find out the most appropriate email available based on the conditions that we set for the tool to run. So you can either have that condition to be where the first email that it comes across it returns that, or you can set some validation there and then just retrieve the best email possible. That is completely on the user's end. So without any further ado, let me just show you how you can set this up. So just go to your grid and let's just create a new column. Delete this. Go to add column, action column. In tools, go to GPT action and just go to email. So you will find email waterfall at the top right here. Just click on it. You would require 4 input parameters for this. So just pass the name, name, the company domain, and the LinkedIn URL. The LinkedIn URL should be of the person, right? So regarding the conditions that I mentioned before, you can set them in the settings section right here. So here you can set which sources you want to set as active and which as inactive. So that would completely depend on your use case. So if you feel like some specific provider is not giving good enough data for you, you can set them as inactive. You can also reorder the waterfall. So if you feel that find email is giving better data for your use case, you can give that a priority, then lead magic, and so on and so forth. Now, in this scenario where a validation provider is not mentioned, what the waterfall does it just returns the first email ID that it comes across. But if you set a validation provider, for example, Lead Magic or Million Verifier, it would parse through each and every email ID it finds and check whether it is capable of receiving the mails or not. These also include catch-all mails. So if you want to disable that you don't want catch-all mails to be there in the returned email ID, you can set the Save to Send email tab as on. And yeah, that is it. Let's just run one of these cells to see how it works. Right, so we have found an email. Let's just see. Now you can also set the values you have retrieved in separate columns to visualize them. So email goes in a different column using this nifty little add column button right here, and provider goes in a separate column. So I'll just run these as well. Yeah,